my first day of fourth semester, and honestly, it's feeling like a fresh start for me as I am going to start my YouTube properly from this semester. So tonight is all about getting all things in place. First I have to clean my desk, then I have to plan my whole semester. Also I have to look into like how I will balance my study, college studies and agency works. It's messy thing. So I have to plan properly to manage all the things. So let's get ready for tomorrow. Alright, the setup is ready. Now I have to plan for the semester, how to manage studies and agency work, all the things. So let's map this out. So almost all the things are done. I was also working out with some other things also. So I have clear plan for the semester. Now let's see how it goes. Tomorrow is like a new beginning. So let's see how the day goes.
Lighting fires, she's lighting fires in my heart. Man, खोए हुए सपनों में फंसा from the start like a lighter. चिंगारी बनी आग से हम दोनों के बीच हुई ऐसी शुरुआत. I'm a fighter, पर अब कैसे लड़ूं खुद से, कैसे बोलूं कि मैं आया तेरे दिल में रुकने.
Usually I go in hoodies or t-shirt for college, but as it's first day of our college, and this video is also going to be live on YouTube for a long time, so I'm gonna wear a shirt. So let's go.
बिन रोए गुजरते रहे वो दिन होए नरम से, हाँ तेरे बज़म में रहे ये
बट स्टिल अभी इधर गोंधड़ बहुत नहीं हुआ, इधर बोल के कुछ फायदा भी नहीं, तो घर जाके बोलने वाली. So finally we are home. So actually I reached home by 5:30 in the evening, but I took a little nap as I was a lot tired. It was a long day. So now we are going to start our work. It's almost 8:30 in the evening, so we will start. So today our aim is to edit half of the video, and then we have to take a little overview of our studies, and then we are going to work on a landing page website. Actually it is not my part of my agency work. It's a secret project. I will reveal it later in another vlog, not today. So yeah, let's start the work. So it's almost 11 p.m. now. Half of the video is edited, so edit work is almost done. Now I need to take for dinner, and after that we will start working with, I think we will directly start working with the landing page. We will skip study for today. So it's almost 2 a.m. here. Now I am done with almost all of my work. I am pretty tired now. I need to take a sleep as I also have to wake up tomorrow. So yeah, that's how a day in life of an engineer looks. Let's see you in another vlog.